The DJI Mini 2, which is fitted with a new camera that can record 4K video at 30 frames per second and capture raw stills, is the second iteration of DJI's most affordable drone and arguably most compelling drone. Its new motors are more powerful, making the Mini 2 faster and significantly better in the wind. Come along as we find out exactly why this is the case. Background and product information. The DJI Mini 2 was announced in November 2020 and comes in two flavors: the standard package, which includes the drone and a few accessories, and the Fly More combo, which costs $559 and consists of an extra kit that notably sports a triple battery pack. The standard offer, which costs $449, comprises the Mini drone, a battery, camera protector, controller, and a few cable and rotary blade options. Despite all the new features, including some innovative camera modes, which you will learn about later in this video, the best thing about the Mini 2 is that it's fun to fly. The Mini 2 looks just like the Mavic Mini it replaces. Weighing less than 249 grams, the collapsible Mini 2, like its larger Mavic siblings, has arms that unfurl to morph the palm-sized unit into a drone that is significant to fly in the wind, a feat many toy-like competitors cannot match. What DJI has changed are the motors, thus increasing the maximum flight speed to about 35 miles per hour. This extra speed means the Mini 2 can withstand stronger winds, which is incredible for something so small and light, although we recommend staying grounded when the wind is strong enough to do more than flutter tree leaves. Beware of the temptation to test the limits of the novel power the Mini 2 gives you. For example, an online reviewer recounted two occasions when he could not use the return-to-home automated flight system due to high wind speeds. He had to fly it back manually both times, using giant trees as a windbreak flying very low, and employing other maneuvers which a novice might not be able to pull off. If you wish to fly in different conditions, you'll need a drone which is heavier and more robust, although, for most people, the Mini 2 is powerful enough. The Mini 2 is so powerful that authorities in the US carried an investigation into a cross-border crime alleged to have been committed with a DJI Mini 2. More on that story later. While strong winds can be inhibitive, the Mini 2 is simpler to fly and more agile than any of DJI's bigger drones. The Mini 2 has a solid battery that can deliver approximately 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge when recording at mixed 1080p and 4K resolution on a slightly windy day. Upgraded controller. The controller has been elegantly streamlined to provide a superior experience in convenience and comfort. In addition, you can now mount your phone to the top of the controller, and although it currently packs more weight, that is a modest price to pay for the enhanced design. The 1 and 2.3-inch CMOS sensor can now produce 12-megapixel images and 4K video at 30 frames per second, which both look fantastic. That's an upgrade on the Mavic Mini, which was limited to a 2.7K video. Camera modes. Even if you're only interested in the aerial camera, there's still a lot to enjoy about the Mini 2. The previous model's automated shot modes, Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket, are still available, accompanied by a new one named Boomerang. When Boomerang is activated, the Mini 2 does a flyby and circles back around. Moreover, the Mini 2 is now compatible with DJI Smart Panorama modes, including Sphere, a 180-degree view, and Wide Angle, as well as Trim Download, which allows you to split clips before transferring them to your phone for editing. This feature saves you time and space on your phone. In the comment section below, let us know which aerial or smart panorama modes you are most enthused by and why. OcuSync 2.0. Furthermore, the Mini 2 runs OcuSync 2.0, DJI's improved video transmitting technology. OcuSync is DJI's marketing moniker for a smart, automated, frequency-switching tool that grants improved video quality over long distances. Talking of long distances, on October 7, 2021, the U.S. Border Patrol intercepted a 249 grams Mini 2, which was later discovered to be carrying 259 grams of methamphetamine across the border with Mexico. Make it a point to use drones in an ethical and legal manner. According to DJI, the Mini 2 can transmit crystal clear video from about 6 miles, which means that you can fly the Mini 2 way beyond visual range, albeit inadvisable, and still get a video feed. In gloomy conditions, unedited footage can appear flat and underexposed, although in general, the clarity of its footage is commendable. If you're recording in 4K, digital zooming is limited to around 2 times, while you can get decent 3x zoom footage in 1080p. However, as the light fades, so does the Mini 2's usable zoom range and, by extension, usable footage. Cons. Let us now discuss specific shortfalls of the DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 lacks object avoidance sensors on its sides, front, and back, unlike the larger drones in the family. However, there are a handful of sensors at the bottom, so if it detects a surface or impediment below, it will leap up to avoid it. Again, DJI's active track and point of interest, automated flight modes, which let you capture better footage with less effort, are also missing from the Mini 2. These, among a few others, are reasons you might want to upgrade to one of its more powerful siblings. Nonetheless, the Mini 2 is our go-to drone if you have some flying experience, don't need superior video resolution, and want a highly portable, fun-to-fly drone. Watch our video on the 5 best drones in 2022 for more capable, high-end options on the market.